Now, before I get started, I did take down my last video. There was a lot of bickering, a lot of name calling, a lot of fighting going on. I thought, nope, no, I need to get that off. And so I did take it down. And I'm going to just stick to less serious subjects from now on because, I didn't like all the bickering and everything. So anyway, today's video is about a replacement for my Nars Larger Than Life eyeliner in Via Veneto. I have worn this eyeliner for years and years. I have talked about it. It was always my top 20 for the year. It was the eyeliner that I loved. I liked it because it was a soft black. I liked it because it lasted. I liked it because it was mechanical. I don't like sharpening because it always gets down. I'll forget to sharpen it, and then the wood or the plastic will scratch my eye. So I don't like a sharpener one. I like a mechanical one. So it just fit everything that I ever loved in an eyeliner, and I wore it for years and years. And then I replaced it, and I thought, well, now that's odd. They've added more colors, but they still had the Via Veneto. So I went through and I was still using up my Larger Than Life. And my friend Kim said, she sent me a text and she said, they have replaced the Larger Than Life with something else called High Pigment Longwear. And it's awful. I said no. And I had ordered it without realizing it had changed. When I saw all those new colors, oh no, they hadn't added colors. They had changed the whole thing. So I got it. She said, oh, it's awful. It's awful. And I looked on the reviews and it had so many 1 stars. It was pathetic. And everybody said, this is terrible. It's just terrible. So I got it. I talked about it on here. It was just like it was a greasy, sticky mess that, well, let me show you. And I ended up throwing it across the room, but I ended up finding, okay, this is, a nice liner, and it just, this is what it turns into. It turns into crap. I mean, it's just hate it. See, they look so similar. They look so similar. That's where they got me. And I wasted all my money on this one, and it was too late. By the time I realized I had bought it, it was really too late to send it back. So I'm stuck with it. Maybe I'll mark packages with it. It'll just, I couldn't even do that because it smears all over the place. But anyway, so I started on my journey of finding another one, and I found one I really liked pretty quickly. It is not drugstore, but there are some good drugstores that I have found and I have talked about, and I really like a lot. But this is going to be my new favorite, the one coming up. So I heard about it from my friend Laura, the CoverGirl Exhibitionist. I got it in brown and I got it in burgundy. Those two colors. I liked it. It was not a mechanical. I had a little bit of problem with it, but it is very nice. It stays very nicely, and I like it a lot. I like it a whole lot, and I was appreciative for Laura, and I talked about it and recommended it. Another one that I really liked, but it was one that you also had to sharpen. It is the L'Oreal Infallible. I have actually gone through a couple of them. It is a beautiful burgundy color. Once again, you have to sharpen it, but it is very nice too, the Infallible. Then I went to the L'Oreal, someone recommended this, the L'Oreal Eyeliner. I got it in a charcoal. It is very nice. It doesn't last quite as well as the other one, but this is a very nice liner too, and it is mechanical. So these are the ones that I tried before I went to MAC. I've always loved Spice Lip Liner. I've never tried any MAC. Yes, I have used Teddy in the past, and that's a classic, and I always thought that's a good one. And so I saw that they had a nice mechanical liner in lots of colors, and people seem to like it. So it is called Technakohl Liner from MAC, a mechanical style pencil. Oh, it got lots of good stars. A mechanical pencil style liner with a soft and creamy formula and intense color. They are right. It just colors so nicely and it lasts. I got two colors. I got Graph Black. So here it is right here, right there. Just a nice, simple, soft black. And I got another color too, a nice blackish brown. It is almost a deep taupe, very, very deep taupe, and it just is great. It is called Photo Gravure, and I did look up how to pronounce gravure. There is the brown and there is the black. You see, it's a real kind of a deep, deep coke, a brownish black is what it is. They're both beautiful, and I'm going to show you putting them on. Unfortunately, I was bent down a little bit too far, so you couldn't see where I was trying to put it into my eyes as I was looking down in the mirror. So I kind of redid it with it already on there so you could just see how I did it. I cannot tight line well. I have to sort of tilt it up, and I'll show you. I have to sort of tilt the pencil up and close my eyes on it and rub it back and forth. I can't open it and do like other people can like that. So I am going to have a pencil around my eyes in case that bothers you, and I will do that right now. First, I'm going to do the Photo Gravure, and that is the brownish black, and then I'm going to do the Graph Black. And I do have a little trouble tight lining, like I said. Okay, I am doing the brown first, and tight lining the top. I do have trouble tight lining. I just can't touch my eye too well. And then there's the waterline. And kind of going back over it again, the first one. And that's what the brown looks like. That's a pretty color. I like it. Then I'm doing the black again. It is funny the way I try to do it. Blinking. And then there's on the waterline. And then there's the black, just a little bit deeper. They're actually longer lasting than the Nars was. I just like the Nars so well, but I would have to apply it throughout the day. This one, both of these from MAC, at the end of the day, they are still there. Don't transfer, don't get underneath my eyes. They stay right where you put them. These are great. These are great liners. I love them. I hope MAC never takes them away. They're easy to use. They're small, easy to get up into that tight line, and I have problems with it. Easy to use in your waterline. So I'm going to get more colors. This is going to be my eyeliner, the one that I really always recommend, and I'm sure it'll be in my favorites month after month. So those of you that had been asking me what I was going to replace that Nars larger than life that I had used for years and years, it is going to be the MAC Technakohl liner, and I'm going to get more colors. It's gorgeous. So anyway, I hope that helps. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it so much, more than I can say. And have a great weekend, and I will talk to y'all soon. Bye-bye.